Zumba, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the intake. So the first thing we're going to do is remove this 121 sticker. We're going to remove this one and the one on the top. That one. As you see, you can use that one here, that one over there, that one. It's kind of tricky, but it's not hard to do. Let's go. Now we need to do this choke, one choke, that's it. So, with a little bit of love, we're gonna remove this part from this part. So let's do it. Make sure you take this with patience and love. You don't want to mess up that one. As you see, everything is ready. Now let's clean up a little bit and get the new one. Guys, we got the new intake here. Please, guys, don't forget to follow the instruction. Remember what I told you about that little piece to take care? Now we're gonna put that one on here. So let's do it. So we're gonna grab this, right? We're gonna put it here. You're gonna have one hand, but as soon as I pause the video, you're not gonna tie this shit right. So stay tuned. See, this is gonna go with that little manguerita there. Ooh, baby, and I got it on already. Now, poo. Mira qué lindo queda, loco. Vamos allá. Now we're gonna put the seal. It's 3M, so you got a little bit of tape in the back, so it's not hard to put on. So we're gonna install these two. Well, this one here, Jesus Christ, a headache. Now we're gonna install this part here. So oh my God, dude. Two is already on. Now let's put the one on the top. This one here, this one, and the one on the bottom. Let's tie this right now. Everybody's installed already tight. Now we're gonna go to the third bar. So let's go. Piece that got two sides. This side is going. This one is the one to go inside, and the one with the there you put it there. Y ese that's the cover. See, and you're gonna put it this way, my friend. Right. And put it that way. You put the front piece, and that's it, bro. We finished with this shit. We did. It's almost there. Doing the last touches. It's tired of this shit, man. Loki. It's not hard. You just need to have the right tools and all the little stuff for this shit, because it's kind of tricky. And they got a lot of uncomfortable space like this one. You see, I need to change the tool, guys. But look at it. Look how pretty it look already. Before and after, baby. Before and after. I think the next move is gonna be change the handlebars, get the 6-inch race bar, and I don't know. I think that's the last thing I need to do to make it look like 100% ST. And the engine, but we do that later. I think it's almost done. Fender, windshield, console, the bars, front and back, and the intake. What do you think, Julia? It look like ST or not yet? She don't care. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Last video coming soon. Listen,